You and 9 others have been captured by super-intelligent alien overlords. These aliens find humans quite tasty, but their civilization forbids eating highly logical and cooperative beings. However, they're not sure if you qualify, so they decide to give you a test. Through a universal translator, the alien guarding you explains the rules. You will be arranged in a single file line, facing forward in order of height, so each person can see everyone ahead of them but not behind. Each of you will be assigned a hat, either black or white, at random. The number of each color is unknown. Starting from the back of the line, each person must say either black or white to guess the color of their own hat. No additional communication is allowed, no tone changes, gestures, or extra words. Breaking this rule means immediate execution. To survive, at least 9 of the 10 prisoners must guess their hat color correctly. You have 5 minutes to strategize before the test begins. Can you come up with a plan that guarantees survival for everyone? Pause the video now to think about it. Answer in 3, 2, 1. The key is that the person at the back of the line who sees everyone else's hats can use their word choice to communicate valuable information. But instead of trying to convey the total number of black or white hats, which could be too many possibilities, they can communicate something with only 2 possible values. Parity, whether the number of black hats they see is odd or even. Here's how the strategy works. The last person who sees all other hats will say black if they see an odd number of black hats, and white if they see an even number. The second person in line, knowing this system, counts the black hats they see. If their count matches the parity, the first person announced their hat must be white. If it doesn't match, their hat must be black. This logic continues down the line. Each person keeps track of the expected parity and updates it based on previous guesses. If the hats are arranged as follows: black, white, black, black, white, white, blight, white, white, the tallest prisoner sees 3 black hats and says black, meaning an odd number. The second prisoner sees an odd number of black hats, meaning their own hat must be white. The third prisoner sees an even number, since 1 black hat has already been identified, so they must be wearing a black hat. This pattern continues, with each person using the previous answers to determine their own hat color with certainty. The only person with a 50% chance of being wrong is the first one, but since only 1 mistake is allowed, the rest of the group can all be correct and guarantee survival. By following this method, the aliens will have to let you go. Looks like they'll have to find some less logical beings to eat.